Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get Netflix for free. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Netflix free trial. Visit the official Netflix website. You'll notice that Netflix clearly states it does not offer free trials anymore. However, you can change your subscription plan or cancel your membership online at any time if you decide the service isn't right for you. If you're looking for a legitimate way to get Netflix at no extra cost, search for T-Mobile Free Netflix and open the official T-Mobile page. Keep in mind that this offer is only available in selected countries and for eligible T-Mobile plans. Once you're on the page, choose your region or plan if required. The website will show whether you're eligible and provide the steps to activate your Netflix subscription through your T-Mobile account. That's all there is to it. If the offer is available in your region and your mobile plan qualifies, you can enjoy Netflix at no additional charge through your carrier. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.